Hello students, welcome to our digital school. Myself Poonam Gupta. Students, today is the class of value education, and in this class we are going to learn the importance of discipline. So tell me children, suppose your friend gift you a pencil in a class. Then you quickly take out a sharpener and sharpen it. What do you do to its shaving? Either you throw them on the floor and dirty the classroom, or collect them and throw them in the dustbin. What will you do, children? Yes, you are right. We will collect them and throw them in the dustbin. We should not throw them on the floor to keep our surrounding clean. This shows that we all need discipline at many stages of our life. So, discipline is a rule that help a person to live in a particular manner. It starts from our house, like your mama telling waking up early in the morning, brushing teeth twice a day, take a bath daily, reaching school on time. Yes, at school also we have to follow some rules like listen to the teachers, complete your work on time, raise your hand when you want to speak, be kind and respectful with others, like that. Children, who teaches us discipline? Yes, our parents and our teachers. They taught us how to be in discipline. So children, why we need this discipline? So now I will explain you this concept with the help of this short story. The story name is The Sage and the Prince. What is sage, children? Sage is a wise person. In Hindi, we call it as a Rishi or Rishi Muni. There was a sage who lived many years ago in India. He had his own ashram. What it means by ashram? Yes, where many Muni live with their children. So children, there was no difference between a poor and a rich man's son for him. All were equal for that sage. He taught all the children that human life is a gift from God which shines with our discipline. He taught them to be neat, clean, and to do their work on time. Yes, he felt sad when the children were lazy and did not do their own work, because he thought that practicing discipline from childhood is helpful, that develops self-control in a child. So the children loved the sage and always did their work on time. Every child worked hard from morning till evening. They kept the ashram spotlessly clean, means very clean. But once Prince joined the ashram, he was very proud of him. He treated the other children badly and did not do any work. He did not even clean his own room. It was the dirtiest room in his ashram. So, one day the sage took the prince for a walk in the forest. He showed him some birds making their nest and rabbit digging the burrows. What do you mean by burrows? Burrows is a hole which made by rabbit to live. They went little further and saw some kitten playing in the mud. The sage pointed at the dirtiest kitten and said to the prince, "Pick up that kitten and clean it properly." The prince said, "It is so dirty. Please don't ask me to clean it." The sage looked at him and said, "Don't you make the other children clean your dirty utensil and clothes? I thought you wouldn't mind doing this. Doesn't matter. If you don't want to clean it, at least you can sit and play with it." The prince said softly, "But Guruji, the place is so dirty. How can I sit there?" "Of course you can. Your friend also sit and play in your dirty room with you, don't they?" said the sage. The prince felt ashamed of himself. He understood what the sage was trying to say. He said, "I am very sorry, Guruji, for everyone. I understood that discipline is for everyone and it shapes our life and teaches us how to do our work properly on time." So children, what you have understood with this story? All of us follow some or the other discipline rule in our life. It helps us to focus on our goals and live a peaceful and healthy life. So I hope you understood this story and learned some moral. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.